Today's learning target is I can identify a character's traits. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify the physical and personality traits of different characters in a book. Character traits are defined as words that can help us describe and better understand a character. For example, a character can be funny, adventurous, brave, smart, hardworking. Good readers pay attention to what characters do, say, think, and feel. They pause and ask themselves, what does this teach me about my character? Sometimes you must infer what a character's feeling based on their thoughts and dialogue with other characters in a story. Characters have both physical and personality traits. Physical traits are traits we can see with the eye. Personality traits we must infer based on their thoughts and actions. This character's physical traits are that he's male, he has brown hair, he's wearing a jersey. We also can tell that he's athletic. He has a basketball as well as cleats that must be used for another sport. Unlike physical traits, we can't see personality traits. You have to pay attention to what your characters think and say to other characters in the story to understand how they are on the inside. Characters' actions, what they do, also helps us understand their personality traits. For example, how they treat others in the story, how they overcome a problem. Just to name a few, a character can be brave, honest, smart, caring, adventurous, friendly, hardworking, bossy, cruel. The next time you read a story, be sure to pay attention to what your characters do, say, think, and feel so you can identify their character traits. Just like our characters in books, we also have character traits that describe us. I want you to tweet one character trait that describes you and explain why.